Time is a phenomenon that already fascinated the scholars of antiquity. They were already capable, with help from the sun and shadows, to record and to divide it into units. In the Middle Ages, mechanical clocks started a revolution of time order. In the beginning, they were only furnished with an alarm, which, from the churches and monasteries, reminded of work, dinner, and prayer times. Soon after came clocks with a pointer for the full hours and a further variant, one with a second dial, that divided the hours into quarter hours. Since the 18th century, clocks with two combined pointers allow the exact time to be read. Delicate baroque clocks from the rich and beautiful gave Black Forest craftsmen the idea to build similar gadgets from wood. Whether in standard or customized versions, the products were reasonably priced and became very popular. This spry man is the author of many manuals about Black Forest clocks. These books are a must for aficionados and collectors. So also for a Swabian craftsman who sets his mind to build an astronomical clock in the same design as in years past. He starts his machines and brings the different pieces in form, so that it begins to get dusty. When the first pieces of work are complete, the builder sets the gears and motor in the clock's frame. Next come the trigger for the day, the month, and the zodiac signs. After many maneuvers, the wheelwork is complete and presented in its full beauty. In a neighboring community, the clock face painter proves his skill with his steady hand. With a pointed brush and Indian ink, he paints the clock face with typical features of that era. Once all components are merged, only a small push is needed. As you can see, it works. And how much time did he invest in this masterpiece?
Enough.
Luck and good relationships afford one a glimpse into a modern clock factory. The differences are serious computer technology instead of a drafting table and automation in every area. With fragile parts and limited editions, however, as in times gone by, manual labor is still required. Such is the case with this model, in which, in addition to the time, the different positions of the Earth and Moon in respect to the Sun should be shown. If the zodiac sign and globe are fixed, the hand shows the movements that normally takes weeks and months. Hot off the presses, this beautiful piece is an eye-catcher in exclusive office furnishing. Whether shadow measurer, old or modern wheelwork, Clocks have always led people believe they have a hold on time, and therefore they often lose sight of how fast time passes.
Has this ever happened to you? You go on vacation, leave for a weekend, or just forget to wind your clock and it stops? Now you don't have to worry anymore. With the revolutionary patented auto-wind mechanical movement from Hermle clocks, your clock will keep perfect time forever. Because time never stops with the Hermle innovative auto-wind clock movement. Here's how it works. Just plug the auto-wind clock into a wall outlet, set the time and moon phase, and never wind your clock again. Your clock will automatically wind on the 4th day. If the power goes off, you'll have a full 3-day reserve. When the power comes back on, your auto-wind movement will automatically and completely wind. Never worry about winding your grandfather clock again with the new patented Hermle auto-wind movement.